Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set paragraph styles in Adobe InDesign. To demonstrate this, we will be creating a paragraph style for a heading, subheading, and a chunk of body copy. The first step is to launch the program. On the left of the startup screen, you'll see an option to either open an existing file or to create a new one, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be creating a new file. On this window, you'll have the ability to set up your document. InDesign does default to picas as their default unit of measurement, but you can click the drop-down menu and change that to inches if you want. Click Create in the bottom right corner. Now, there are multiple ways to create paragraph styles, but I will be showing the design first and create after method. The first thing to do in the document is to create 3 text boxes to hold our type. To do so, make sure that you select your type tool and click, drag, and release it on the document. Once a blue box forms, you'll know that your text box is active. Once your 3 text boxes are all set similar to mine shown here, it's time to put some text in them. You can do this by selecting your type tool and clicking directly in the box, or clicking the box twice with your selection tool. Now, it's time to write something in your first 2 boxes. I'll be doing heading and subheading. For the third box, we'll be putting some filler text. To do this, select your third box and navigate to the top of your menu and click Type. Then go down to Fill with Placeholder Text, and then you should have something like this. The next step is to stylize your text, which will make use of these appearance and character panels on the right. I'm going to style mine with respect to how a heading, subheading, and piece of body copy should be set up, but I'm also going to only use variations of Times New Roman to make this simple, but feel free to explore your options. For the heading, I'm going to use Times New Roman bold and make it 36 point, and I'll also change the color to red. To change the color, double-click the text box and highlight all of the text by clicking Command A. Then go back over to the Appearance menu and change the fill color. Now, my subheading is going to be smaller and italicized, and then my body copy is going to be the smallest and just the regular Times New Roman. The final part of this tutorial is to set these styles into your paragraph styles officially. Open your paragraph styles window by navigating to your Windows tab, clicking it, and then hovering over Styles and clicking Paragraph Styles. Finally, it's time to load these into the styles. Alt plus click the plus sign on that window, and here you'll have the options to name your style and change any other settings you might want to. Go ahead and name your style sheets accordingly, and then feel free to test them out by creating text boxes, writing anything in them, and then selecting the box, and then selecting the style you would wish to apply to them. These paragraph styles are super helpful when creating anything super text heavy like newsletters, books, and brochures. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.